I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming core prerequisites, R and RStudio installed and the file path ready. Once done, set your working directory with setod, path, or use RStudio's GUI. This avoids path errors. Install reader and data. Table if you plan fast reads. Make sure you identify the file type, CSV, Excel, or RDS, and note its delimiter and encoding so you choose the correct reader function. Now proceed to load the file itself. Now you read the data. For typical CSVs, use reader, read CSV, and for big tables, use data. Table, read, because it's much faster. If you have Excel, use readXL, read Excel, and choose the right sheet. Specify delim explicit call types and locale or encoding so characters import correctly. Once you load, immediately preview with head or tibble, glimpse, to confirm headers and row counts. If something looks off, stop and adjust the reader options. Finish by validating and cleaning the dataset. Run SDR and summary to inspect types and unexpected NAs, then convert factors, parse dates, and recode values as needed. Save the cleaned object with Save RDS for faster reloads. If you encounter problems, such as garbled characters or wrong column breaks, recheck the delimiter and file encoding, confirm the header row, and try read or specifying call types. This solves most import issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.